Hello, my tiny tots. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and learning the chapters with me. So, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with Cap. And in today's class, I will tell you how to make capital and small cursive W. Let's start. Okay, so please take out your pencils and hold them like this. You will start from here, which is small cursive W. Start from here, go up, down, up, down and make a small loop. Okay. Now this is capital cursive W. Start from here, down, up, and make a loop. And here you have to paste a sticker of a what, okay? Because what starts from W. Now there are some dotted lines, small cursive W. Okay, keep practicing class. Now I will make here without dotted lines. Start from here, down, and loop. Okay, one more time, down, and loop. Like this you will make small cursive W. Now I will show you how to make capital cursive W with dotted lines. Like this. Very nice. Now without dotted lines. Like this, okay? Now this is a picture of a whale. This is watermelon and this is wheel. Okay, so all these objects start from letter W. Okay, so don't forget. Now next is your this activity. Match the pictures with their shadows. See, here are the pictures and here are the shadows. You have to match the picture with their shadows. So first is watermelon. Can you see the watermelon? Yes, it's over here. We'll match the watermelon with the shadow. Next is watch. Watch is the down one. Watch. This is wheel. Wheel is here. Next is walnut. Walnut is up. And this is wolf. Wolf is the second one. And we have done this activity. Alright. So, in today's class, we have studied that how to make capital and small cursive W. You will practice and complete that page. And I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning everyone. Bye bye. Take care.